The brief was to replace the existing two boiler setup, which were 45-year-old Allen Ignis boilers, with an ideal commercial boiler array. We also decided to replace all the fan coils with brand new, much more efficient units. The installation process was very straightforward with the project plan that was produced. There were no hiccups, there were no problems. Everything arrived on time over the 12-week period.
We really rate the Ideal commercial EvoMax range. The installation process went really well. In this particular instance, we've got an array of 150 kilowatt boilers totaling to 750 kilowatt. Off the shelf, there's only a 600 kilowatt array capacity, but in this particular instance, we had to have a bespoke frame made by Ideal themselves, and even though it was bespoke, everything went really smoothly, including the deliveries.
The project took approximately 3 months from start to finish. The project was finished around the end of September and brought into service first week of October. The support we received from Ideal was very good. Every time we wanted a question answered, it was there. If it wasn't, it came back very quickly. The flue detail, the header detail, the flow detail was all there ready for us when we needed it.
I would recommend Ideal commercial boilers to anybody looking to install or replace any existing systems. We've worked as a company with them for 15 years now, and they offer excellent customer service, and the quality of their products is just second to none.